An overview of week 4 of unit 6 in 7th grade science. So today, on Monday, you have one last assignment, energy and food chain. So let's take a look at that really quickly. And it's a Google Doc. You're going to fill in the Google Doc. And so you want to add, for the 10 organisms that you listed in your organisms and abiotic factors assignment, you want to add another column, make a table, add a second column with the way this organism gets its energy. Is it a producer, a consumer, or a decomposer? And then the second part of the assignment is you're going to create a food chain, an illustrated food chain. Now, when I say illustrated today, I mean just show the energy flow. You can write the words of the elements of your food chain and then indicate the energy flow with arrows. If you want, you can go ahead and put in the illustrations or images right away today, but all you need to turn in today is the words connected by arrows showing the energy flow of a minimum 4 organism food chain. Okay? If you do put in images from the web, make sure you've used legal images and that they are cited properly. If you have questions about that, contact me. The rest of the week all looks pretty similar. They are work days for your project. So we're just going to keep day after day, another work day. Each work day, there's another little suggestion on what you should be doing. So for example, on Wednesday, I recommend that you check all your citations. Make sure they're in MLA format and you've attributed all your images. There's some videos on Wednesday to help you remember how to do your formatting on your citations. And then Friday's the big day when you turn in your project. So like before, you're going to create a PDF file on your project and then submit it. Looks like a couple of people have already done that. So any questions about that, please contact me. You guys have a great week.